Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be seeing this Tej look which I have created by my own, and this is really simple and basic makeup look, so hope you will enjoy watching it. So let's get started. I've already primed and prepped my skin. I also done with my brows. I'm just going to be color correcting and blending in with my finger only. Now I'm going to be taking the foundation of my own shade and then using it for the obviously on my face. Basically applying it on the points where I feel the most dark areas where I feel something a little bit highlighting, and cover the pigmentation and just blending it with a wet beauty blender. Take your time and blend this really within, because it's very important to blend your foundation and make your base really flawless. Then I'm taking Swiss Beauty concealer in one shade or two shade lighter than my skin tone and just applying it on the higher points, and just going to be blending it with Damn Beauty blender. Again, taking your time and make sure you precisely blend the concealer only the areas where you have applied it, not drag it to hold your on your whole face. Then obviously taking a loose powder and just going to little bit bake my face, because now I am going to be doing some really heavy eye makeup look. So just baking it all of my face so that fallout doesn't stick on my face. Then I'm going to be taking the light orange or transition shade to just blend it into my crease. To always make it a transition shade, start always with a lighter color and just blending it with a big blender brush so that there's no harsh lines. Then taking a little angled with fluffy end brush and just blending the dark green eyeshadow into my eyes and corners of my eyes to bring that depth into my eyes and blending it really nicely. Here you can see the final look of the blending, and then taking a light and dark green shimmers and I'm applying light green on middle of my eyes and dark green inner corners of my eyes, and then sticking the lashes. Then I'm just going to be brush out all the excess powder that I have on my face that I've baken up. Then taking a pencil brush and smudging the dark green eyeshadow that I've used up previously and just smudging my waterline with the same eyeshadow, and also applying some kajal to complete the look of my eye. Now adding some shadows to my face. I'm just a little bit contouring my face, basically just adding some brown shadows to cut my features of nose. Also going to be doing some little bronze up so that it just shows some color to my skin. I am also going to be adding some blush on so that my cheeks look a little pink. Now always don't forget to highlight your face, because that just combines the whole look and just gives illusion that your face is really glowing. So just going to be adding the highlighter on all over the face and my highlight points. Then I'm going to be adding these two lipstick color to make a combination, and here's the lip look. And that's it for today's video. Here's the final look. And that's it for today's video. Hope you all like this video. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so you will never miss any updates. Bye bye. Happy Tej!